going on, guys? Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures, and today I've got a product that I'm pretty excited about. I finally got this worked out, ready to go. Going to install it today. I know it looks a lot like that one, doesn't it? That's the front GoPro mount. This one, see the difference? This is the front 360 camera mount. Check this out. All right, so thanks for joining me today. Today is going to be the installation of this. I'm going to show you what I do with the pole and so on. Got a little trick on there also. But I'm going to replace my front GoPro mount with the front 360 camera mount. This is specifically designed to carry the 360, the Insta360. I have the X3, but the poles are all the same. The Insta360 selfie stick with the 360 camera. So I'll show you how I do all that. It's the same as that mount there, with the addition, this one has hardware where you can screw your pole into. And don't worry, this is all stainless steel hardware. It's not going to rust. It is assembled with Loctite. It's not coming loose. Let me get on this here. You're just like before, you're going to take those two T30 screws out. Yours won't have that on there. Maybe it will, but you're going to take those out. You're going to put these back on, tighten it down, and you're good to go. Let's get that done. All right, T30. So real simple. Take these out. There's only two. Now you guys have asked what this will fit on. Of course, it's not going to fit on your GTIs. I'm sorry, guys, but you need this type of hood design with these two bolts. So I know the GTX, the fishpros, some of the Wakes, the RTX, RXP, it won't fit on. They don't have this. But anyway, we're going to take and put this in its place. You've got a little indent here, you see right up in there, that this slides up into. Now, when you put your bolts on, start one side, just finger tight, and then when you do your other one, hold this here, you're going to kind of want to push it up in there until it catches the screw. They're purposely designed to be just a little bit off, so you have to push forward, so it'll give you a good snug tight fit, and then just tighten them down. Now that mount is installed and it's not going anywhere. So let me go ahead and get the 360 camera. I'll show you how that works. All right, guys, 360 camera. This is the Insta360 X3 camera. X4 is gonna be the same if you wanna go with that. The selfie stick that comes with it, if you choose that bundle. It's specifically designed, guys. It fits very, very nicely. If you've got a selfie stick that's bigger than this one, it's not going to fit. I'll throw the links in the description, but also throw the dimensions. But just remember, it's the Insta360 stick. You may be asking what this is. Well, if you saw my other videos on the rear mount, I forgot to lower my pole. Lost my camera when it hit a bridge. So I've got a floaty here zip tied to the stick, and this will float. So if it does get knocked off my ski, I can go back and get it. So let me go ahead and put this one on there. It's real simple. Screw it in, guys. You got your stainless bolt there. This fits very nice and snug. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just turn it on and give it a quick little, not over tight, but tight. That's it. That's it, guys. This, I'm probably not going to extend the pole up very high. There's really no need to. I can see everything. But just to show you guys the operation of this, I believe it is, if you can hear in the background, it's getting ready to storm here. tomorrow, watch for the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you click that bell, you'll see when I upload that next video. But I'm gonna be on the water. I'll be testing this, and I'll also be testing from the rear one. And that way you guys can see the video you should have seen last time. I was hitting about 50, 55 miles an hour. I'm not one of those lake riders, guys. I'm out there in the Gulf, so we very rarely ever have very smooth conditions. So you'll see some real footage. Look for it tomorrow. So this is it. Check the links in the description. This is the front 360 mount. If you don't have a 360 camera, the front GoPro mount works fantastic. That's what I've been using for a few months now. It's still here, still in great shape. Anyway, guys, check out the channel. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out the website. The links will be in the description. Remember, it's NRG Creative. No E at the end. No E at the end. See you on the water tomorrow.